Hi, good day. This is Alex on Internet Well Secret. So in today's review, I would like to show you about this new product from Robin Palmer, right? So the product is a Rankmaster, right? So Rankmaster is a complete video course that actually hand holding you in each of the step how you can use YouTube marketing, how you can rank the YouTube videos and to get you free unlimited traffic. So with this free unlimited traffic, you are able to make more sales and potentially you are able to also build the business, six-figure business on top of this YouTube marketing. Right? So as you know, video marketing is one of the best source of free traffic. In fact, video marketing is one of the best way to get free targeted traffic because in each of the days, people just come online. Most of the time, people are spending 70-80% of watching video. Either they watch video from YouTube or they could be watching video from Facebook. So definitely, YouTube marketing or this video marketing is one of the so-called traffic sources you need to master for you to actually to be able to run your business in the long run without you also paying a lot to the pay app or need to spend money to on the solo app, right? Okay, so that is why Robin have actually created this very complete course, Rankmaster, right? I have known Robin for quite some time. In fact, I have also get a lot of advice from him in also when I doing a launch checking, when I actually promoting any affiliate master, affiliate product, right? Okay, I have my own YouTube channel and I actually learn a lot from Robin's how actually I can rank my YouTube video, how I can get more view and more subscriber to my YouTube channel, right? So if you take a look into Robin's, this is Robin Palmer. If you take a look into why I actually personally recommend Robin Palmer to you, right? Because Robin is one of the very experienced internet marketers, especially he specialized very much in this YouTube marketing, video marketing. So you can see in this channels by Robin Palmer, he's having a 10,000 subscriber with just a few videos, right? So he know how to rank video, he know how to get more subscriber, and he know how to get more view to his all the video here. So so he's someone I would like to recommend to you if you want to learn YouTube marketing, video marketing, right, to get you free traffic. So in this latest product by Rankmaster, this is considered a very member. Once you join this training program, this is considered a more of a high value learning program whereby when you join as a member, you become Robin's student. So Robin is going to hand holding you, teach you everything about YouTube marketing, right? So you are able to start a hyper profitable YouTube channel from complete new, right? If you're a new beginner in affiliate marketing and you would like to quickly build your YouTube channel so you can actually promote any digital product that was launched in the JVZoo or whatever, then you should actually start learning from the course, right? So then you can everything you need to know is provided by step by step in the training program. So this is going to get 24/7 lifetime access once you join, right? Okay, don't look at the price of the cost, look at the value it's going to bring to you. So imagine you are able to build a YouTube channel with a lot of and you can actually rank the YouTube the video and you can actually get a lot of subscriber, more view. If you are doing the internet marketing or make money online, then you're going to build a pool of free traffic from the YouTube channel or every video you uploaded to your YouTube channel, you are able to rank the video for the particular keyword. So that's what Lobby is going to teach you everything about ranking the video, right? That's why the course is called as a rank master, right? So it said how I ran a simple but uncommon YouTube affiliate marketing business and make six figure from it, right? Okay, so as I know, he has never bought any solo app or pay app, right? So all his traffic, on promoting, building his six-figure business, all coming from his YouTube and affiliate marketing. So he actually is promoting some affiliate product or on digital product via his YouTube channel, right? Okay, right. So this is something you should actually learn from him. So it's a one-time price, 24 times 7 lifetime, etc. So one of the best news here is I have managed to talk to Robin, and he had agreed to give 50 dollar discount coupon code, right? If you actually use Alexis 50, then you're able to actually get this for free, right? Okay. So you are able to get this Rankmaster for $50 less than the original price, right? Okay. So in terms of what is the content of the courses here, so there are actually 7 modules in these courses, right? So first is a welcome and overview of the Rankmaster, the free equipment you need to get started, setting up your channel for best result, creating and uploading some video to YouTube, how to rank like a master, how to sell more, building an email list. So all this is a 7 module you're going to learn from Lobin. So Lobin is going to teach you everything about he has been practicing for the past many years and how he has managed to build a six-figure online business from just using just his YouTube channel, right? Okay, right. So it's also come with some bonus content, some resources section, right? So this is going to also give you a more value for the courses, right? So on top of that, you're going to get these bonuses. So if you add today, so take fast section. So this is the bonuses you're going to get, how to monetize your YouTube channel in 7 or 14 days. So he have also include his past product as they launch them as bonuses for your own affiliate marketing campaign. You can fill in the blank videos, quick template for you to get started today. Private Facebook group, YouTube equipment, this video equipment, affiliate promotion optimization, this list of the high ticket affiliate. So all these awesome bonuses you're going to get if you sign up today for one-time cost of $497 plus my coupon code minus $50. You just need to pay for 447, right? If you buy via my link below inside this video, right? So this is a low payment, right? So on top of that, I have actually bundled a lot of bonuses if you buy Rankmaster via the link inside my review page, right? Okay, so on top of what Robin is going to give you all his high values courses about YouTube marketing, I'm also going to give you my 300 plus bonus pack. It costs now 10,000, right? So here is a custom made Rankmaster bonus you're going to get, right? So I'm also going to give you a VIP 101 personal coaching or make money on that value. So this is if you buy this product via me, I'm going to give you a Skype coaching, right? You can come, you can Skype me, you can email to me, right? We can also we can have a regular Skype session, probably 30 minutes every week. So every alternate week we can have that kind of session for me to answer you any question about make money online, right? So this is one of the values bonuses I'm giving to you if you buy the Rankmaster via the link inside my review page, right? So also I'm going to give you my own product, right? This is my own product done for you money list 50,000 make money on a subscriber. You are able to start loading into autoresponder and send them the list from the day one, right? Okay. Second, I'm going to give you another my high value on demand product, my access to the 6,000 PR ebook and video, right? So in this you have 1,000 ebook and video in the make money online list. You are able to sell it as your own product, right? And video business in the box, so right. So this is a YouTube video to WordPress. This is a plugin you can actually pull any YouTube videos from any of the YouTube channel by actually queuing by user channel ID, and you can actually back input into your blog and website as your content, right? Again, Willow Hub is a video subscription membership platform. If you want to build a lot of video, and definitely you want to build some. So once you learn from the Rankmaster, then you're able to create your own video, rank your own video, and you can upload to the YouTube, and you can also create your own subscription member platform, right? Okay. So I'm also giving you this as a bonus, right? Right. So this you are going to learn how you can actually build your own membership platform video, so you can actually monetize from this membership video site, right? Again, so this part I'm going to give you a cloud app video creation cloud app, and this is a video library giveaway 250 videos. You can use this video as your content to promote your blog site, giveaway for engagement, build a membership site, build a new product, and okay, you can use it for any kind of purpose, right? As your video content, email search, email marketing. So since you're going to build your list from Rankmaster, that's what this Robin is going to teach you as part of the bonuses here, right? So this is a sales page. You can see. So one of the module is he's going to teach you how to rank the master and build an email list. So with this bonuses, you'll be able to learn how to actually increase your email open rate and also click rate. Also, YouTube Hack 2021 and YouTube channel SEO, I'm actually including these two bonuses about YouTube marketing. So this is going to complement to what Rankmaster is going to offer to you, right? I have learned some YouTube trick, also how to rank YouTube video, and also how to maximize the optimize the SEO of the YouTube channel. So you're going to get this from me if you actually buy this Rankmaster via the link inside my review page. Also, this exclusive list building training with 100 free solo app high ticket system. Learn how to sell high ticket product, make high ticket commission, and super affiliate software funnel. And I have put together 3 of the best affiliate software here, right? Okay, so you can actually resell it and make keep 100% of the profit. So 50XO2 and on the cloud app, you can learn how to rank your site and blog, right? And product launch attack. If you're launching a new product, you will learn how to actually make the best of your product launch, right? Audio Wizard, this is another cloud app to create your own audio track, so you can integrate into your YouTube video or any kind of video you are creating. You need to have the background audio and music. So I'm actually giving this to you, so you can actually generate your own audio track. So this is a funnel builder, right? Okay, so this is a very high, awesome and high quality funnel builder, both engage trouble question app, and also this water traffic cloud app, and also store affiliate store builder. All this is high quality cloud app putting together as part of the Rankmaster, right? Bonuses, right? A free training how to make money without you selling anything. You may want to learn this trick, how you can still make money without you selling anything, right? TikTok traffic app and also Instagram traffic app. 100 giveaway. This is a 100 giveaway. Just I prepare this bonus just to help you to build your list in the long run, right? So, and also we have this 100 test queue software and app to boost your online business. So this is going to help you. You can preview what's inside this bonus here, and definitely this is one of the best thing I have actually put together, right, for the benefit of your own business, right? There's a lot of things inside here, right? Inside this bonus bundle, there are plugin, there are template, there are app, there are software also. I put together their ebook or the different topic, right? So all this is going to help your business, right, together with the Rankmaster. So right, so that's everything I have, and there are 10 more exclusive bonuses I put together, so you can actually read through it. So all the bonuses you're going to get after in the member Wallet Plus member area after you sign up the Rankmaster, where the link inside my debut page, right? So just have a look into Rankmaster sales page. So you click any of the button inside my debut page, if you want to bring you to the Rankmaster sales page. Look something like this, right? So there's a 10-minute video here which Lobin is going to explain a bit about the Rankmaster content, right, which I've also explained to you. There's a lot of testimonial for the really top marketer like this team and this guy Dan also, and also we have this guys new John, right, and also uh, all this is giving testimonial to Lobin, right? Okay, and this is a module I've actually mentioned to you, overview of the Rank Master, the free equipment. Need to get started, setting up your channel for best result, creating and uploading video to YouTube, and how to rank like a master, how to sell more, building a numerical bonus content, and this is a everything you're going to get also bonuses is all the bonuses here. So it's also come with 100% money back guarantee, so you are actually 100% assured you're not going to lose any money. So in the event after within a 60 day, you can ask for a refund. You're not happy with the drawing master, but I'm really sure you are going to be happy purchasing the course, especially if you're a new beginner trying to make your $100 on from the affiliate marketing, promoting people's product, right? Then this is a courses you should go, right? Because many of the marketers, they have been using this method. We call it as a launch checking, right? Launch checking is about creating review video and post it in a YouTube channel and rank it for the keyword, right? But if you're new to this launch checking, right? Launch checking is the best way to get free traffic to promote your affiliate product without you spending any money through the pay app or the solo app, right? So if you are new or you're just beginning, starting to get involved in the business, then this is the courses you should be investing for one time 497 and 447. You're going to get from me. If you buy from me, I'm going to give you my coupon code of $50, which I have actually asked Robin to say I would like to have discount for all my friends who's interested in this course, right? So this is about the Rank Master, right? So if you have any question, any query, let me write to me to ask about this Rank Master, right? You can always reach out to me via my also my email or via my Skype also, right? Okay, yeah, so I have only very limited bonus bundle, right? Okay, so I would like to urge you to take fast action, right? This is the best course you should invest, is to invest, and definitely this is one of the best Christmas gift you should be buying for yourself, right? Because this is something is going to work for the long term. Something YouTube marketing and video marketing is the future of all marketing. You're going to get you unlimited, non-stop free traffic, right? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.